Hi guys, welcome to another wash David. Today I'm washing my braids because I don't want to be smelling in the streets and my scalp has been quite itchy. I'm using a slightly different method than what I've done before. So I'm starting off with my hair tied up and quite loosely tied up so that my fingers can move in through the braids. And today I'm using the SukiSuki Naturals Monongongo Maracuja Moisturizing Shampoo because I'm focusing on cleansing my scalp. Focus on saturating your scalp and not wetting the braids because otherwise the braids are going to weigh down your head and we don't want to cause any tension to your hairline. And what I do is I apply the moisturizing shampoo directly onto my scalp. And what I really love about this shampoo is that it's moisturizing. So I've used it before. I know it's not going to dry out my hair. And what I'm doing now is I'm using a spray bottle to wet my hair even further so that my scalp can lather really well and I can really get a good cleanse. I'm doing this as opposed to using the water from the shower head because I was really worried that I was going to apply too much water on my hair and it was going to weigh down my roots. So definitely recommend this method. It's also so much faster for cleansing your scalp because at the end of the day for me, I really want to focus more on keeping my scalp healthy while I have the braids because that's how I'm going to get the most out of this protective style. As I mentioned, the shampoo isn't harsh at all. It is sulfate free and it's enriched with vitamin E oil, which is great for retaining moisture. And that vitamin E is going to come in super handy when I use the conditioner after washing my hair later. So what I'm doing now is I'm re-tying up my hair. And again, I'm leaving it a little bit loose because I'm going to use the shower head to cleanse my hair of all the shampoo that's in my head. And again, guys, using this method is really great. You can also use another method where you wash all your braids, but personally for me, I just want to save my edges. I want to save my roots. So I feel like this method is less invasive. I always encourage using a moisturizer after you've used the shampoo. I'm not going to show that step in this video because it's the same application process. So I just wet my scalp and then I applied the conditioner and I've rinsed it out. So I'm going to show you now how I cleanse and refresh the rest of my braids. I don't want them to be smelling in the streets, you know. I've also been working out and exercising and the rest of my hair also deserves a bit of love. So I'm taking a spray bottle because I don't want my hair to be weighed down. And I'm going to be applying my Monongongo Maracuja Detangling and Nourishing Conditioner. I really loved how this product worked on my hair and now I'm using it on my braids. And remember guys, it's so important to make sure that you're looking after your scalp and your hair while it's in a protective style, because often we neglect what's happening to our hair in protective styles, and that's where we get the least out of something that should be beneficial for our hair. This shampoo is designed to detoxify whilst moisturizing, so you've got a bunch of nutrients as well as vitamin E, and using the conditioner after using the vitamin E in the shampoo will help you retain your moisture. So that's why this combination is really great and it won't dry out your hair. So I'm using the conditioner with a bit of water from a spray bottle and applying that directly onto my hair, and I'll just respray my hair and wipe off the product. And I'm sure you're thinking like, why are you doing that? As I said, I'm not trying to soak and drench my braids because then it will be super heavy, and this method is really quick, so you can do it every week. For those of you that are really worried about smelly braids and that work out quite often, I swear by this routine to keep my protective styles smelling good and to keep my hair underneath it healthy. Now that my hair smells good and is cleansed, I'm going to moisturize and protect my hair using the Hydroprotective hair mist. This spray is lightweight, meaning it's not going to cause much buildup, and you can use it on protective styles as well as your afro hair. It's enriched with aloe vera, organic marula and baobab oil. Great combination for nourishing your hair and making sure that you're getting the most out of your protective style. Another great thing about the light formulation is that you can use this product daily. So again, exposing your hair to really great nourishment, getting the most out of your protective style, and still giving your hair the love that it deserves in an easy to use spray bottle. Make sure when you're applying this product that you're spraying it not just on your hair. Pay attention to your hairline. Pay attention to spraying it throughout the length of your hair. You can also spray it directly onto your scalp because of the light formulation. Your hair and your scalp needs love, it needs nourishment, and you're going to get all those things from this product. Honestly guys, for me there's nothing better than freshly washed braids. I often feel when I've done a protective style, because sometimes they'll use like hair food or they'll use edge gel to keep your hair in the strands, that my scalp feels a little bit weighed down, and using this method to cleanse my hair in a less administrative way really makes all the difference for me. And because of the way I washed my hair, I can tie it up and put it in a towel so that it can dry quite easily, and I'm done.